Hey, what's up? My name is Cyrian Reed, aka The Dancer, and I am a professional dancer, dance instructor, choreographer, and educator. I've worked in the entertainment industry for more than 15 years and had the pleasure of working with some mainstream artists and companies, but nothing fulfills my heart more than the world of instruction. Teaching others to do what I love to do most makes them a part of my world, and most importantly, the hip-hop dance community. But enough about me, let's get to you. When you hear your favorite song on the radio, or you're scrolling through your playlist, what do? Do you stand there? Do you nod your head? Or do you move your feet? Are you embarrassed to move freely in public? Have you ever wanted to take a dance class but felt intimidated? Well, if any of these questions or statements have ever popped in your mind, let me ease that troubling mind. Let me help cultivate you into the dancer that you want to be. Let me help guide you in a direction that is full of movement progression, creativity, rhythmic awareness, artistic expression, confidence, and swag. I created this specific course just for beginning hip-hop dancers. I provide you with short routines that include all the latest new dance moves and hip-hop technique. Hip-hop technique includes breaking, popping, locking, house, all street forms, and commercial hip-hop. So you are going to learn a little bit of everything in my course. The main goal of this course is for you to be the best dancer that you can be, not necessarily to become a professional dancer. So if you're looking to improve your dancing skills and confidence through guidance and motivation, this course is for you. So don't hesitate anymore. Stop thinking about it. Click the button and enroll in my class now. It's fun, it's energetic, you're learning something, and you're doing what you want to do, and that's becoming a better dancer. Come get down with me. I hope to see you soon. Remember, there's a dancer inside of everybody.